Welcome to this explainer. Okay, let's jump straight in. Today, we're zeroing in on a super important intersection of tech and security, how business intelligence, or BI, acts as your ultimate shield against corporate fraud. Now, we usually hear about BI when we're talking about marketing or, customer relations. But honestly, its application in detecting and preventing fraud is arguably where it delivers the most immediate, bottom-line protection for any organization. So we're going to look closely at exactly how this works, diving into the data and some real-time case studies to unpack the actual mechanics of BI as a hardcore security tool. But before we get to the solution, let's talk about the reality of operating without a safety net. What actually happens when a business can't detect fraud? Well, it's really easy to brush off fraud as just a minor cost of doing business, right? Like a tiny leak in the pipes. But the data tells a completely different, way more alarming story. Operating blindly without data-driven detection leaves companies unbelievably vulnerable.
Take a look at this. According to a report by PwC, a company without protection faces a staggering median loss of $150,000 from fraud. And remember, that's just the median. For a lot of businesses, an unexpected hit of that size isn't just a tough quarter. It's a massive financial blow that can literally paralyze daily operations and bring growth to a dead stop. And honestly, it gets worse, especially if you're talking about smaller organizations. A study by Experian found that 60% of small businesses hit by fraud end up shutting their doors within just 6 months of the incident. 6 months. Just think about that. More than half of small enterprises simply can't bounce back from a successful attack. It's an absolute existential threat. If you don't have the intelligence to see the hit coming, the damage is very often fatal.
And this vulnerability is exactly why the FBI's Internet Crime Complaint Center puts out explicit warnings that businesses without proper systems are prime targets for cybercriminals. Bad actors are out there actively hunting for the weakest link. They know exactly who is monitoring their data and who is just flying blind. By not using business intelligence, you're essentially leaving your front door wide open.
Section 1. Mechanism. How BI fights back.
So the big question is, how does a BI system actually sift through millions of data points to find that one single fraudulent transaction? How does it lock that front door? Well, it relies heavily on 3 specific techniques. First up, real-time monitoring. BI tools aren't just looking in the rearview mirror at what happened last month. They are watching transactions exactly as they happen. Second, pattern recognition. The system establishes a baseline of your normal behavior and then instantly flags anything that strays from that norm. And third, adaptive learning. These systems actually learn from past data. They're constantly updating their understanding of what fraud looks like, so they can automatically adjust and catch brand new, highly sophisticated schemes the second they pop up.
Section 2. Application. Real-world industry examples.
Now, it's one thing to talk about the theory, but let's actually look at some real-time case studies to see BI actively protecting massive data-heavy sectors, specifically banking and telecommunications. Both of these industries are processing millions of interactions every single day. Trying to find fraud manually after the fact? Forget about it, it's impossible. So they rely entirely on business intelligence to be their automated digital security guard, applying it in very targeted ways based on their specific needs.
Let's dive into banking first. In this sector, BI tools are deployed to continuously analyze historical and current data. The main job here is detecting fraudulent transactions by zeroing in on patterns in account activity. Just think about the huge difference between a manual review and automated real-time action. If a customer who usually just buys groceries in New York suddenly tries to drop 10 grand on electronics in another country at 3 a.m., well, a manual review wouldn't catch that for days. But a BI tool? It immediately recognizes that this breaks the established pattern. It flags the suspicious behavior in real time, physically freezing the transaction the exact moment before the money is actually lost. Now, looking over at the telecom industry, the asset isn't a direct transfer of funds, but network usage. Telecom companies use business intelligence tools to constantly monitor and analyze usage patterns. They're on the hunt for fraudulent activities like really unusual call patterns. For example, a sudden massive spike in international calls coming from a single local account usually means that account has been compromised. By spotting those anomalies the very second they start, BI helps telecom providers shut down those compromised lines instantly, preventing absolutely massive service and revenue losses.
So whether it's freezing a sketchy credit card swipe or shutting down a hacked phone line, the underlying principle is exactly the same. Let the data highlight the danger. To wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with a pretty sobering statistic from the Association of Certified Fraud Examiners.
They report that organizations operating without fraud detection systems lose an average of 5% of their annual revenue to fraud. 5%. Just take a second and really think about what that number means for your organization. That is a staggering amount of capital to just bleed out year after year, all because the right data analytics tools weren't in place. Knowing all the risks we've just discussed, from that $150,000 median loss to the reality that cybercriminals are actively hunting unprotected companies, and knowing the proven mechanisms out there like real-time monitoring and pattern recognition, the final question you really have to ask yourself is this: can your business actually afford to lose 5% of its revenue by operating without business intelligence? The data makes it crystal clear. BI is no longer just a cool tool for growth, it is an absolute necessity for survival. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer. And remember, keep asking the right questions about your data.